There we go, guys. So I had to go under the tarp. Just to basically do my boots up, basically towards me. So we're going to walk to the fucking car, mate. It's not like bear down. The problem is the lens is fucking wiping all the time. That's the problem. Alright. Let's fucking go. Let's go, baby. Fucking get this done. A 10-minute walk. This is fucking hard to get changed. Come on. There we go. So what we're going to do, we're going to go and drive to Ivy Bridge. I'll tell you what, these boots are so comfortable. Those Magnum ones are fucking bad, mate. They're rubbing against my heel excessively. They're shit. Let's swap. Let's, while I'm swapping, I'll wipe the lens. Right, so we're going to go to Ivy Bridge, Tesco's. Go for poo. And then get a meal deal with a Costa coffee. I should have a machine in there. And then go and drive to Avon Bridge, Avon Dam Reservoir. Obviously I can't go there. Problem is, I've got to keep wiping the fucking lens. If you don't subscribe to another video, GoPro stop recording. GoPro start recording.